Hi, I'm Ken Heron, and this Autel EVO Lite is the sh**. Hey, we're out here in the field with Kelly Green on his actual real job. And what job is that?
This is what pays the bills, brother. Marketing director, drone pilot, photographer.
Hand model, stud muffin.
Keep going.
Yeah. Today I've asked Kelly to try and use the Autel EVO Lite Plus instead of his DJI product.
So you say try and use. Does that mean if I try, use, and fail, you're okay with it?
Sure. Just don't try to crash it. But it's got lots of obstacle avoidance.
How's the camera?
Camera shoots up to 6K.
Oh.
I am not a huge fan of the controller.
It's kind of like you're flying blind. You don't have a screen, but I think I'm a good enough pilot. Oh.
Yeah.
Initializing aircraft attitude. Please take off later.
It's got an attitude.
Gimbal is self-checking. Please take off later.
12 hours later. Go ahead and slap that on and do your thing.
All right.
Compass is abnormal. Please stay away from the magnetic field interference area or calibrate the compass.
You mean this big electric box?
Maybe.
Now we're safe to fly.
Do it. It's a little quieter, isn't it?
It is quieter.
That is louder.
I like the orange of it too.
It might fly a little bit differently than you're used to.
So I'm 167 feet up. I'm gonna go up to about 200.
What do you think about the interface?
I haven't quite figured it out yet. For example, I don't know how much time I've got left on the battery. Oh, it's counting down, so I've got 26 minutes.
So you're just filming the lot. You're not filming one of these houses.
No, just the lot.
I noticed in some of your videos that you'll put a property line overlay.
Yep.
Okay. People always asking how you did that. How do you do that?
It's done, since I use Final Cut Pro X to edit, it's done with what's called a plug-in. It's just a simple plug-in that's available from a lot of different companies, and it's really easy to use, but it makes it look cool.
Yeah.
This thing is nice, man. Boy, I miss the crystal sky.
Yeah, the screen is kind of smaller, but you can use like a tablet on here or whatever.
Just gonna do a fly over the lot.
Is it flying okay?
Smooth, yeah, really smooth. I hate that my car's in the shot. My car wouldn't normally be in the shot, but since we're just kind of testing this thing.
Well, just use that car removal plug-in.
Oh yeah, they got that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some lower to the ground footage.
Okay.
Just kind of showing off what the view would be. So I'll tell you one thing I love about the Mavic 2 Pro.
Yeah.
And I'm not sure if the Autel EVO Lite has it, but it's called tripod mode.
Oh yeah.
Does it have that?
Yeah.
I love that, especially for real estate because it just creeps the drone. And I use it all the time, especially for orbits around houses. Right now, I'm just going right across the top of the lot, the lake lot that we're selling that I'm filming today. And it's in tripod mode, and you see how slow it goes?
They used to call me tripod in college.
I'm sure they didn't.
No, they didn't. How much is this lot going for, you think?
I didn't ask, but just judging by what other lots are going for, I would say this lot goes for around 100,000.
That's not terrible.
It's not bad. It's a 1 acre lot in a beautiful, gated community. So
By the lake?
I like this drone, man.
Good. Can you see it better because of the orange in the air?
I can, yep.
Yeah.
The gray in the DJI drone sometimes blends so much with the sky,
Right.
especially on a gray day.
On an overcast day it would,
Yeah.
yeah. And when you crash, if you crash,
Right.
you can find orange better amongst the grass. You still get nervous when you fly over water?
I never do. Thanks, DJI Care Refresh.
I guess this is as good as time as any to warn you not to use those floaty things that people are selling. There's these companies that say, "Oh, land on the water with your drone." Don't do it.
You go ahead and try and land it. Oh goodness. Well, that breeze is really blowing it. Better take back off before it gets into the... Oh! Why?
So far, is it comparable to or better than or equal to the DJI?
As far as just the flight itself,
Yeah.
I think it's very equal to, as good as.
Okay.
And if I spend a little more time with it, I may like it even better because I love the orange. I wish it was a little louder.
You do?
I do. I like loud drones because they're easier to find in the sky if you glance down at the controller for a second and you need to look back up and find it quickly.
Right, and it's easier for the rednecks to draw on with their guns.
Yep, especially here in Tennessee.
Yeah.
Bring it in for a landing?
Yeah, let's see if you can land it on the green thing where you took off from.
Okay. Come on back, come on now, back it up.
It's got a pretty steady hover. Straight down. How about this?
Yeah?
You can have that drone.
No!
I give it to you.
What?
Yeah.
Dude.
Mm-hmm.
Bring it in.
So, what'd you think?
I liked everything about it. I like the color right off the bat. It's easy to find in the sky.
Right.
I like the carbon fiber arms. I like the way it flew. It was smooth. I haven't seen the footage yet, so
Right.
that'll kind of be the end-all be-all for me.
Okay. Well, this is yours now. So.
Now?
Oh.
Right. Right now?
Yeah, you can take it.
Okay.
Oh, I get this one.
Yeah, you can
Fantastic.
have that. Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Until next time, buh.
And bye.
I'm Ken Heron, and this Autel EVO Lite is the sh.
Dude, did you wipe its little back
I
sensor?
did, yeah.
Okay.
I'm Ken Heron, and you're in for a treat.
I get it. You're in.
Yeah.
I'm Kelly Green, and dude, I'm not doing this. I'm a germaphobe, man. Hazardous voltage inside will shock, burn, or cause death.
I wouldn't worry about it.
Since you're my spotter, let me know where that thing is.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Where, is it
All right.
prohibited to fly?
Safe to fly now, it's saying.
Oh, do it.
Nope, now it's saying prohibited.
Stay away from the magnetic field interference
Right.
area or calibrate the
I'm going
compass.
to shut this lady up.
Compass is abnormal. Please stay away from the magnetic.
Oh,
Just turn her down.
wish I could have done that with an ex-wife.
Yeah.
Just kidding, ex-wife.
Doing an orbit around the lot, similar to the way Ken is doing an orbit around my head.
Mm-hmm.
Such a good cameraman.
Go over and spy on Luann.
Oh, Luann.
Oh, man. Zoom in on her.
You think she's laying out today?
Oh, hell yeah. She works on her base tan all year round.
Base tan.
So I can keep talking. No, are you filming? If it gets deeper than the microphone, I'm in real trouble. Oh, Ken Heron.
So he's got the gloves, but they're not doing much good. I mean, why would you wear fingerless gloves?
It's 32 degrees
With the-
out here.
Yeah, I know, but you're not keeping your fingers
I
warm
know,
with the.
but I'm keeping at least 75% of my hand warm.
Do you have it that way so you can do a touchscreen?
Yes.
Link to gloves with touchscreen capability that covers your fingers. Keeps them warm in the description.
I'm low budget, man.